Hey, Mr. Salvador. My name is Mary with the Principal Marketing Firm. And in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring more customers to your business. And I already know you're probably sitting there and you're asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what is in it for me? And I understand fully. Although the answer is most of the time in a busy world, local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And they don't know who is or isn't an expert. And I want to make sure that we come to you and we get to the principal. That's the whole point of us being named the principal marketing firm. And a lot of business owners, they want to know, how can I get an easy plan that can actually do things for me to impact my business? And in results that have given a lot of local business owners, they're still raising their hand. They're saying, Mary, can you please do this for me? So by the end of this video, if you like what you have heard and you see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, then just shoot me an email or shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or by the end of this video, you simply want to take this plan I gave yourself and you want to say, I can do this myself, then I understand that works for me as well. So let's just jump into these 3 topics first. So the number one topic that I want to talk about is content. So we know that in your site, you have about roughly 500-ish words. And your competitor's site right here, you have about, they have about over 1,300 words. Google would like you guys to have 1,500 words to be optimized, basically being said, okay, we recognize you guys and we see that you're there. But their 1,300 words is very, very beatable. And I also want to jump into keywords. So every month, we can see that Landscaping Reno has about 880 searches in there. And we get this information from Ahrefs, which is a site that we use to understand exactly what's going on in each person's back end of their page. So right now, if I click on your organic keywords, you're going to see that you guys do pop up for some of these keywords, but it's not as much as your competitors. Your competitors have 208 keywords. And having more keywords is going to let Google know that you're being recognized for, your work and what you're doing, which is the landscaping. The second thing that I wanted to talk about is citations. Now, citations are basically what we would call the Google Map Pack. So if I go right here and I show you right here, this is a Google Map Pack. It's when you get brought up as a consumer through your name, address, and phone number, aka your NAPs. So you're probably asking yourself right now, hey, Mary, how do I get ranked on the maps? Don't worry, I got you. So if we go over here and we pull up WhiteSpark, we see that you have 26 citations and your competitors have 60. Again, this is very, very, very beatable, and we can definitely wipe them off the maps with this. Now, if you wanted to use the WhiteSpark yourself, which is whitespark.ca, by the way, it's 30 to 70 bucks a month based on the plan that you think is best for your site. Now, if we go in and we look at the very last thing I want to talk about with you, which is backlinks. Let me go back on here really quickly for you. There we go. So if we go in and look at the backlinks, you have about 170 backlinks right now. And we would call this the authority site, basically. It's what Google looks at and says, all right, what's going on here? What do they have to benefit us to say that consumers need to go back on their page? Well, you have 170. Your competitors have 902. This is also very, very beatable by a landslide. Having backlinks is a more efficient way to have relative sites linking back to you. For example, if you have a site that's named landscaping.com linking to you, that would be more efficient than having Pizza Hut linking at you, because you don't sling pizzas for a living, obviously. This is where we want to be number one, having more authority in Google's eyes, almost like having a popularity contest or an A+ student, making sure all the information is correct. Now that I've went through all the 3 things over with you, which is content, first of all. So your content is, you want to have your front page having 1,500 words. Your citations, we want to make sure you have 200 to 300 citations to beat out the competitors by a landslide. And also backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority, and it implements these strategies. Today, you could be number one across Google in your area, and that's where we want to get you. Well, you can either go with this information that I provided to you, or you can say, you know what, I'm going to do it on my own, which I'm totally fine with that. However, if you want the most efficient way and route, then save yourself some time. You can give me a call at 775-402-8885. And once again, my name is Mary, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. And I hope you have a great one. And my number is, again, 775-402-2885. Thank you, and have a great one.